Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipe. In this video, we are going to learn on how to use chi-squared method in order to select the best features. Uh, so, and this is also a method as PCA which is used for decomposing your dataset into smaller number of features. So let's get started. First of all, this is the code snippet. I have copied this code and I pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. So what is chi-squared method and how is it calculated? So let us understand this with help of an example. First of all, chi-squared method is only used or should be only used for categorical values or for categorical variables. I'll explain to you why we should only use the chi-squared method for categorical variables. So now consider an example of number of cars bought by the number. I have divided people among on the basis of their income slab. For example, I have divided people between 10 to 20, 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, and 20 to 20 to 25 lakhs, and 25 to 30 lakhs. And I have made a table having the number of corresponding to corresponding to every bin or corresponding to every range of the salary slab. I have calculated the number of cars bought. So there should be as we all know all the all the features, or sorry, all the bins or all the slab are not going to buy the same number of cars. So there must be some feature, or there should must be a relation that is guiding them in order because of which the number of cars bought are different for each variables, otherwise sorry for each slab, otherwise the number of cars bought should have been more or less the same. So this is where chi-squared method comes into play. So what chi-squared method does, it uses the observed and estimated number of values in order to calculate the chi-squared value. So the basic formula is observed minus estimated to the whole square upon upon estimated and summing it over the all the categories. So there are some prior assumptions to chi-square method, that is the data should be randomly picked up and all the features should be mutually exclusive. For example, a person in 20 lakhs to 25 lakhs cannot lie in 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs. This means all the features are mutually exclusive to each other. So yes, and one more thing, all the values should be frequencies. The value on which I'm performing chi-squared should be the frequencies. So so now you understand why we should use chi-squared only for categorical values. Now let's get started with the code. So these are two general print statements. In order to ignore warnings, I've imported warnings from sklearn datasets. I've imported load iris dataset, and feature selection, select the k best features, and feature selection chi-squared. So it is also a method for for feature selection. After that, I have loaded my iris data. Now print x and print y. I'm converting my data into categorical values using x as type integer. Now after that, chi selector. So select best. So k best. So here I need to pass my feature or my feature selection method, and here I need to pass my number of features that I want. So I could have given k equal to 3, 4 or 5. Now after that, k best chi underscore to selector dot fit transform xy, uh, print k best. After that, original number of features should be x dot shape, x dot shape, and reduced number of features x underscore k best shape. Now I have run this. So this is my x and this is my y. So you can see after that, this is my k best score, k, and the final is the original number of features are 154 and the total number of reduced features are 150 and 2. So this was all about the codes in this video. For more industry relevant project, you can visit our website, and for more code snippets like this, you can visit our website as well as our YouTube channel. You can also get your customized code using this click here function given over here. So this was all for this video, and the URL for the code of this video will be available in the link below. Thank you.